Doctor, did you get a new motorcycle?
Yay! That's right. This motorcycle is quite different from what you have seen before. Do you notice the difference when they are parked next to each other?
All right. Oh, the one you bought does not have a muffler.
Yes, that's right. This motorcycle does not have a muffler as it does not have it.
What's it?
This motorcycle does not have the engine.
How can you drive this with no engine? I don't understand what you're talking about.
This has an electric motor instead of a gasoline engine, doesn't it?
That's right.
The electric motor takes place of the engine and it uses electricity instead of gasoline.
The characteristics of the electric motorcycles are:
they can run quietly and smoothly.
You got the start of me again. Also, compared with a motorcycle with an engine, there are fewer items to be checked for maintenance.
Fewer items to be checked?
Exactly. For example, the gasoline engine uses engine oil but the electric motor does not. That's why there is no need to replace engine oil.
Wow, I didn't know that. You can use an electric motorcycle with little care. Does it mean you go to the dealer less often?
You shouldn't make light of maintenance as there are fewer maintenance items.
Even with an electric motorcycle, the importance of periodic maintenance never changes.
That's right. The periodic maintenance is still crucial even though the electric motor takes place of the gasoline engine and electricity is used instead of gasoline.
Air pressure of the tires, headlamp, brake system, electrical accessories such as turn signals. These still need periodic maintenance.
That's right. In addition, since the electric motorcycle uses electricity, some items require special knowledge about electricity and electric motor. Even with the electric motorcycle, it is important to have it serviced regularly at the Honda dealer.
I see. I am lucky I don't have to replace engine oil. This is not the way to think of an electric motorcycle.
Always be ready to visit a Honda dealer if you have a question or concern about maintenance.